All right, if you are a full-time RVer, this is a tool that you probably already have in your arsenal. If you guys have never gotten one of these tools, it's an oscillating tool. I rock the Ryobi because I rock the Ryobi brands right here, and I love this oscillating tool because it cuts, it sands, it does multiple things, but when you run out of blade, you're gonna need to get the blades. And so I got this kit right here, which it gives me pretty much a lifetime supply of blades. Now, I'm about ready to reseal my roof of my RV, and so I need to go through some of these blades and cut the die core off, and that's what I like to do on top of the roof. Not only that, but I'm renovating a trailer right now, and I need to cut a few things, so we're gonna use one of these blades to cut some fan holes, some holes in the ceiling, all that kind of stuff, and then it gives you a lifetime supply. I'm not even joking. You get sandpaper of different grit, you get fine tip sandpaper, you get a diamond head like that for the Ryobi blade. Actually has grit on it as well. Again, a ton of blades. You also get another one of these cutting blades right here, which is the rounded, but it also has like a diamond course down there, like diamond tip, diamond plated. Oh, and you get just another head for sander, so that's kind of cool. And a small one for the small tip, so you get a fine area to get in those corners like that. So that's really cool as well. Let's see, what other heads do you get? You get a normal rounded blade right here. You get two of them, so that's good. Like I said, a ton of knives. This is the one that I really need for that die core, which is not gonna have a lot of teeth right here, so you're gonna use this one as a putty knife. This is really good for scraping tool right here. I needed that one as well. You got wood cutter, you got a couple fat wood cutting blades. That's really nice. I mean, gosh, what don't they give you? That's super awesome. Look at this. It gives you a little mini one. Look at that. I'm just a little guy. I'm just a little guy, so probably if you're gonna be notching out like door jambs or any small notching. Check it out, I gotta show it to you. That's pretty good. Yeah, and you get a ton of blades in this little kit, and it's really, really good quality. They're not cheaping out on you. If you have an oscillating tool, you know how quickly you can go through some of these blades. Well, with these, you can go through these blades no problem, and you're gonna have a backup. So it's a kit that I would definitely recommend just by looking at it, feeling it, and it can't go wrong with always having a backup blade on hand.